Welcome to tutorial. In this video I will guide you how to lock your Facebook profile. So first of all you need to log in with your profile. Type your email and password and then click on login. So and then visit your profile. Now click on your profile, on your oven name and visit your profile. And when you visit your profile, so you can do this from your mobile also. So now click right side here. Now click on three dots, click on here and you will see lock profile. Now click on lock profile option. Now click and a pop-up screen open and Facebook show you some guideline and review. Make your photo and post more. Provide in one step how locking works. Only friend will see the photos and post on your profile. Only friend will see your full size profile picture and cover photo. People who are not friend will see a maximum of 5 profile details. Now click on lock profile once you read the details. So when you click on here, instantly your profile is locked by Facebook. You locked your profile. Only your friend can see the photos and post on your timeline. So now click on OK button. So and Facebook refresh your page. So let's check out how our profile look like in locked mode. Here you can see lock your profile. You can click on learn more button here downside. Click on you locked your profile. Now click on learn more button. Then you can review your profile how it's look like. And now click on here. Your profile is locked. You can click on view as and unlock. View as a public. You can also unlock your profile. Let's view as public. So here you can see a new pop-up screen open. Here you can see how profile look like. Here you can see at the lock his profile. Only his friend can see what he share on his profile. No post available because I lock my profile. And here you can see he cannot view my full profile photo. Here rather lock his profile. Here you can see I am clicking and Facebook showing me an error because I locked my profile and I cannot view my cover photo because I am not a friend of my own profile. So that's why. So once you lock, everything is locked, photos, friend, about section. So then you can click on unlock button, then instantly Facebook unlock your profile. Now click on unlock. Now click on unlock your profile. How unlocking work? More people may see the photos and post on your timeline. So when you click on unlock your profile, then your profile all data is publicly available. Now click on unlock your profile. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped for you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.